there guys, welcome back. Sci-Fi Wonder here, and I'm coming to teach you all about something that might be useful or may not be useful, or something that will assist you or something like that. You know how when you place something, a piece of clothing on your model and all that, all of a sudden you, let's make an idea. Something rather happens where you place down a model, and if I do it correctly, basically a part of the model or something like that disappears. Like right there, you see? See that? Or basically a big chunk of your body just up and vanishes. Like that. Now, it's good for optimization, all that, when you want to do things like, and you don't want clipping. But let's say you don't want, you're good at things and you don't mind clipping and all that. There is a way for you to do that. That is, if we press this button again, but go to dresses and go to one of these, either leather suit or not leather suit. Now, once we do that, go to edit textures, press this button, and well, if you're doing a new set of clothing and all that, you just go to your edit things and all that, and go to whatever you're doing, and let's say let's go back to the shirt again. This one. And once you go back, look at that. You're no longer having a hole. So that's when you do that, because the suit is still technically there, covering your lower layer of your body. So if you don't mind the clipping or whatever happens, and you're good at editing things for your clothing, or if you want your clothing to show that your skin is there and not just like an empty space, like where you can just see directly through the body and the model is there, you can simply do this and it will work. So hopefully this tiny bit of information helps you in doing things new for your character, whatever you're making for a 3D model for vroid. I'll give you a bit more tidbits here and there. Till then, see you all later. As always, I'm your host, Sci-Fi Wonder. Catch you all later.